Hello children, today we will learn about scanning and cleaning of our computer system. So let's learn how can we do that. So the first topic is scanning and cleaning viruses and removing spam files, temporary files and folders from our computer system. So dear children, first of all we should understand that how can we keep our computer system virus free. So for that we need to install and use antivirus software. If we are using our computer system and using internet in our computer system, so it is must that we use or we install antivirus software in our computer system, and that antivirus software which we have installed, that should be updated time to time whenever we get notification for it. And it should be scan all the files that you download from the internet. Yes, so what is the purpose of this? Basically we get most of the time virus from the internet, so whatever the file we are going to install and download from the internet, so that should be scanned from that antivirus software. Do not open the email of an unknown person. Yes, if we don't know that person from whom we have received the email, we should never open that email. We should select and delete it at the same time whenever we receive it. So don't allow any untrustworthy person to use your system. Yes, if we don't know any person, we should not give our computer system to that person to use, because that person may create any kind of serious problem with our system. That person can hack our system, that person can install a spyware in our computer system to track the information. So we should never allow any unknown person to sit on the system, and untrustworthy person also whom we cannot trust. New, use unknown pen drive, and it should be new, it should be never. We should never use any pen drive and CD in our computer system, because it may have virus and it may infect our computer system also. So we should never click on the windows that pop-ups whenever we are surfing the internet, right? So whenever we are using the internet, most of the time in our screen these pop-ups opens automatically. We should never open them, they may contain the virus. So from the settings of the computers and settings of the browser, we should block those pop-ups. Those pop-ups should be blocked. Now how can we prepare a computer system against a virus? As I've told you that we should install the antivirus in our computer system to save our computer from infection of the virus, and it should be updated. It should be updated periodically, and so that it can remove the new viruses automatically. So these are some examples: McAfee virus scan, Norton virus scan, Microsoft Security Essentials, and QuickHills. These are few examples of antivirus softwares. So the most important things is it needs to run in the background at all times. If you have installed a antivirus software in your computer system, it should run automatically. It should not be stopped, and keep antivirus software updated. Whenever you get a notification, we should always update the antivirus software, and it should run full disk scan periodically. You can complete system scan. Complete disk scan means what? The complete computer system's memory, all the drives, all the folders, complete system scan should be there periodically. You may scan it weekly, you may scan it after 5 days, and you may scan it after 10 days, but it should be scanned periodically. Now the thing comes is how can we scan a file in our computer system? So this is the one example has been given to us. So in this example they have shown us the screenshot where they have used the QuickHill Total Security. I'm telling you, this is my account, and this is a virtual keyboard icon, and this is the support, and this is a Facebook Live. So in my computer system I will show you that how can you use that system, right? So I'm going to click on this, and instead of that, what can I do is I am moving this window. Suppose I want to check this particular folder for this virus scan. So I need to select and right click on it. As you can see, the option appears QuickHill Antivirus scan. So as I'm going to click on this, you can see that it is scanned. Now it has already been scanned. So if I click on this, let's take one more example. If I click on this and I right click on this quick heal antivirus pro scan, so it is showing that it is scanning. As you can see that file scanned, it is scanning now. So this is how you can use it. So it is checking that 24%, 25%, and it is showing us that files repaired, no files has been repaired, and no threats have been detected. This is how you can check all the files and folders on your system. As you can see, the green line is showing us that yes, it is showing that no virus is found. So this is how you can check, dear children, right? So here, how can you check the system full scan? This is a scan option. If you want to check your system completely or scan your system completely, so you need to click on this particular scan option. After clicking on the scan, it will ask you for the full system scan. So you have to click on full system scan. It will take few minutes because it will check all the drives, it will check all the folders for the virus. So you need to have patience because it will take few minutes to check the system. So once it is done, it will show you that all the files have repaired and there's no virus found in the system. So the next thing comes is, dear children, this is the assignment which you people have to do. This is an assignment which you will be doing, and you will be doing yourself. So the next thing is removing temporary files. Removing temporary files. Okay. So how can we remove the temporary files? So these temp files can be, first of all, you should know that what do you mean by the temp files. Temporary files are created when you are running computer programs. Microsoft Windows and Windows programs often create a .temp files are temporary files. These are also created by the web browsers to store your web browser history. Basically, temp files are the files which are created automatically. We are not going to create them. They are created automatically, and they take memory space in the computer. They are created automatically to save our history. Okay, so we need to clean those files, we need to delete those files. How can we do that? For that, this is the window in which it is shown that if we want to clean the C drive and we want to remove all the temp files from the C drive, then how can we do that, right? So I am going to do this in my system. So for that, dear children, I am opening this C drive. In the C drive, what I can do is, here, this is C drive. First of all, this is C drive. As you can see, I'm going to right click on it. Here properties, I'm also going to click on the properties options. Now here it is. This is the next step. This is the next step. As you can see, I'm opening it again. This is a property window. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to click on the disk cleanup option. Disk cleanup. So it is showing that it is cleaning my disk, right? Windows update cleanup. It is scanning my files. So it is cleaning all the temp files. This is called disk cleanup. Means we are cleaning our disk. This is disk cleanup, right? So this is how we can clean up our disk. So it will take few more seconds to complete. Now what we need to do is, we need to select the downloaded program files. No, I need them. So temp files are to be deleted. So I need to click on OK. It is asking me that do you want to delete these files permanently? Yes, I need to click on delete the files. Okay. So it is deleting. It is doing its work. Let it be here only. We are cleaning. We are going to see the next commands. There, as you can see, we got the same message. Okay, as you can see, we have got the same message here. Delete the files permanently. Now we have deleted. Okay, so this is the temp file. So the next thing is, how can we remove the temp folder? Temp folder we need to remove, right? So how can we remove the temp folder? These are the commands for removing the temp folder here. For that, what we need to do is, I am going to close this. Disk cleanup is, I hope the disk cleanup command is ready to all the children. Now you need to press the Windows button plus R. Windows button is available in your keyboard, and now you have to press the R button, right? So the run dialog box appears. This is run dialog box. So the you need to type is this %temp percentage. Okay, temp percentage. Now you need to, the temp folder opens. You need to click on OK. As you can see, this is a temp folder, right? So this is the temp folder. It is open. All these files are temporary temp files. And what you can do is, you need to press Ctrl A, and all these files can be deleted. All these files can be deleted. So I am going to delete. It is deleting all the files. Yes, yes. So all my files have been deleted. So this is how you can, okay, these are the Google files, so I can skip them. So all the unnecessary files have been deleted. So there may be some important files which needs to be here in the system. So let them be like this. So this is how we can delete all the temp files from our computer system, right? So this is how, this was the last step which we had done. So here we are talking about the firewall now. So firewall, computer firewall could be a programmable device or a software or a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on user-defined security rules. Basically, firewall, it can be a device, or it can be a software, or it can be a network security system, right? So basically, it acts as a wall. Okay, it acts as a wall between our system and the internet. Okay, so it checks all the files before giving them entrance in our computer system. So firewall enhances the security of the computer connected to a network. It is used in the network system such as LANs and internet. A firewall typically establishes a barriers between a trusted internal network and untrusted external network. So it acts as a barrier between the trusted internal network and untrusted external network, right? So what does the firewall do? It inspects each packet of data, whether incoming or outgoing, and check it should be allowed to pass or it should be blocked. So this is how it protects our computer system. It is used in the case of networking only, when the computers are connected in the network. Now we talk about the cookies. In computing, cookies are small files that are stored on user's computer when you visit a website on the internet, right? So what these files are created automatically. As the temp files are created, the cookies are also created automatically. These files are designed to hold data specific to a particular client and websites. That what we have searched on that particular site, it stores our commands. It stores all the information that where we have clicked and what type of information we have tracked. So all that information is stored about that websites and the client, and they are saved in the cookies, right? When you visit a website, it sends a cookie to a computer where it is stored in a file. Only the websites that creates a cookie can read it. Otherwise, the servers cannot access this information. So dear students, that's all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.